Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and navigating to the exact page or resource you want to share. This ensures the link points to the right place. Once there, click the address bar so the full URL is selected, and press Ctrl+C or choose Copy from the context menu. If you want a specific on-page link or image, right-click it and select Copy Link Address instead. Doing this captures the correct protocol and query string, so the recipient lands at the same content you see. Next, decide how you will deliver the link and paste it where needed. You can press Ctrl+V into an email, chat box, or document field, which immediately creates a clickable URL. If you want quick reuse, drag the small padlock or site icon from the left of the address bar down to your bookmarks bar to create a bookmark. On Windows, you can drag a tab onto the desktop to make a URL shortcut. These steps make access faster and preserve the exact address for later. Finally, always verify the link by opening it in a new tab so you confirm destination and access rights. This prevents sending broken or private URLs. If the page doesn't load, make sure you actually copied the full URL without extra spaces, and clear cookies or sign out if the link requires public access. Once done, try the link in an incognito window to rule out extension interference or login redirects. If problems persist, copy the URL again and retest before sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.